In this video, I will show you step by step on how to get free Discord Nitro and claim it. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. We got a ton of channels and they are all totally free. Plus, we a ton of varieties for layout channels. There are many chat channels, so chat with people from all around the world. And if you want premium decors and offers, we got it covered for you. We also do free Nitro giveaways. So what are you waiting for? Join us now. Okay, to claim the Nitro, you need to play chess against Discord, so click that button. Now create an account on chess.com, after that you will come to this page. Pick your opponent here, choose the mode. I am not very good at chess, so I will pick assisted. Now you can click play and that's how you can start the game against Discord. Since I've picked assisted, the system is helping me make the moves against Wampus. Don't worry, you don't need to sit through the entire game, I will speed this up. I won't lie to you, even as a noob chess player, I quite enjoyed playing chess. The criteria here is, you need to defeat Wampus in the game to claim the Nitro. There you go, I have defeated Wampus. And I got free Nitro. But don't worry, we won't stop there. I will claim this Nitro too. Now just click the Claim Discord Nitro button. Oops! It turns out that I can't use it on this account. Well, I guess you can't have Nitro for more than 12 months or should be a new Nitro user. That's why I will try it on other account and voila, it worked. Now it's time to add the payment method. Well, in my case, I will simply use my PayPal account here. Don't worry, it won't charge you money. And there you go. I got Nitro for free. Wasn't that super easy? I directly showed it to you. Now this is an important step. After claiming the Nitro, make sure to cancel the subscription first. Don't worry, you won't lose your Nitro and its perks. After that, remove your payment method too in the billing section. That way, they won't charge you money next month. And you can see that you can still keep your Discord Nitro. Anyway, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe button so it motivates me to make more videos like this. Until then, take care and
see ya!